She Was Here, the new fragrance by FORVR Mood. It's sold out everywhere, but I got my hands on it, did some maneuvering, and I got my hands on it. In this video, I'm going to review the fragrance and let you know if it's worth purchasing or not. Hi, my name is Jasmine, and I believe in smart tips for a glowing life leads to less stress and more time for beauty. And in this video, we are going to go into the new fragrance from FORVR Mood called She Was Here. This fragrance is $79. I was able to use some of my VIB points to kind of knock off the price, so I got it for about $69, but with taxes and everything, it came out to about $74. And this fragrance has roasted pistachio, Turkish rose, and vanilla milk, and it's for the girl that leaves an impression wherever she goes. The name and everything for this fragrance is such a vibe because it gives the impression that in spraying this fragrance, you are going to leave an impression in any room and any space that you take up or that you show up in. So much so that you're going to have that "what fragrance are you wearing" moment, or "I know she was in here because I smelled her." That is what the name, in my opinion, is trying to convey about the scent of this fragrance. I absolutely love the scent of this fragrance. When you smell it, you will smell that roasted pistachio, and of course you will smell that hint of vanilla. It is really intoxicating how delicious and warm this fragrance smells when you put it on. I made a TikTok about it, and one of the comments for the TikTok video talked about marinating your clothes in the fragrance. We'll get more into that in a second. Marinating your clothes in a fragrance. So, remember, I'm a mom, I'm a wife, very important person in my workplace, and so I look for fragrances that are long wearing, that leave an impression, that are definitely noticeable and distinct. You have to ask me exactly what it is. Not everyone's probably going to be wearing it. So those are the vibes that I have when I choose fragrances. A lot of my fragrances have strong vanilla notes because I am a vanilla girl, and I gravitate towards warm florals. I don't know, I just find comfort in wearing fragrances that have warm floral notes. So naturally, I am obsessed with the scent of this fragrance. Here is my only con for this fragrance, because the price point is fine in my opinion. It is a general price point for typical fragrances. My only con with this fragrance is the longevity of this fragrance. I've tested this fragrance out a couple of times on myself, just spraying it casually on myself, but then I also tested it with marinating my clothes. I did that actually today to see how long it truly lasts and how much I would still smell it. On my first go round, when I first got it, I could smell it for about 2 to 4 hours. When I marinated my clothes in it today, I think I got about the same amount of time, 2 to 4 hours. A lot of the comments on my video on TikTok regarding this fragrance talk about layering this fragrance with other products. One of the products that I really want to try layering this fragrance with is the Vanilla Skin by FORVR. I want to try that combination to see how that works together. Another fragrance that I may try to layer it with is Replica by The Fireplace. I love this smoky scent. It's about that time of year anyway, that fall time of year. So I really love wearing this a lot during fall time and winter time, or just when I'm lounging around the house. I chose this one because of the smoky notes in this fragrance. I feel like combining these together will elevate that smoky pistachio in this fragrance. Ultimately, as a busy person, as a busy mom, all of that stuff that I talk about frequently on my channel and in my vlogs. Again, I look for simplicity in my life, things that I do not need to really think about. And although I love the scent of this fragrance, For me, I would probably wear this fragrance for a date night where I know the time that I'm going to be out and about, where someone may smell me, is going to match the longevity of the fragrance. I'm not the type of person that really wants to layer different fragrances and different scents of lotions and body butters with a specific fragrance, because I believe that fragrances should be simple. You know, especially when you're busy, you do not have time to really compile a list of different layering combos for fragrances, especially when you're spending a lot of money on specific fragrances. So if you are the type of person that loves to layer to enhance the scents of fragrances, I do recommend this fragrance for you, because I do believe that there are tons of combinations with pistachio scented fragrances, vanilla of course, and any kind of smoky fragrance that could help elevate and create more longevity of this fragrance. But if you are the busy person who does not have time to do that research about layering fragrances, I would not recommend buying this product unless, like I mentioned, if you would like sort of a novelty fragrance, a signature fragrance for time periods where you're going somewhere and it's a small window of time, because that's as long as you're going to get from this fragrance. Absolutely beautiful scent. I just wish it lasted longer, but that is just my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments. Did you get your hands on this fragrance? I got my hands on this fragrance, not by ordering it online, but choosing a Sephora that was close to me that still had it in stock in store. So that's how I got it. Now, I don't know if it's still available in that way anymore, but that is how I got my hands on it. So are you looking to purchase this? Have you already purchased it? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this quick review of this brand new fragrance product. Hopefully I can do some more reviews like this on my channel and you guys will be interested and tune in. And if you have any recommendations for any products you would like me to try and review, to give a real thorough, honest opinion on those products, especially for those individuals who are on the go, who do not have time to think about layering different scents together to make everything work together, please let me know and I got you. Thank you so much for watching, and until my next video, see ya.